Hi friends, I just received my new Amazon Basics professional journals. Black, I ordered a 2-pack. They are 10.5 by 7.5 inches. And these are two hard paste, like books journals. I like them very much. As you can see, it's really nice the way they are organized. They have 168 pages, two-sided pages, of course, so you get more than 300 writing pages. They have this black ribbon, so you can mark where you are working. And also, I want to tell you, they are pre-cutted. Like, they have this, if you need to cut a page for whatever reason, you can do it really easily because they are pre-cutted. All the pages are like this. You see, you get a clean cut page. If you need to give this page to someone or take it with you. So it's really a nice journal. I have two and I really recommend them. Okay? Thank you.